Hi, today I will show you how to speed up your WordPress website and make it load under 3 seconds with just one plugin. Let me check the speed of this website before fixing the speed issue. Go to GTmetrix.com, insert your website URL here and click on Analyze. It will take around 10 seconds to analyze the speed of website. This is the current speed of the website. Let me boost the speed and make the website load under 3 seconds. Log into your WordPress website and click on plugins and then click on add new. Search Swift Lite. This is the plugin Swift Performance Lite. Install it. Click on activate. Click on auto config. Click on start. It will take around a minute to fix the issues here. Click on next. Then click on Swift Performance Lite setting. Do not change any setting and go to dashboard. Make sure you create a backup of your website before uh, changing the settings of Swift Performance Lite. Sometimes it breaks up the website, so it's a good idea to create a backup before working on this. Now click on Start Pre-Built Cache. It will take some time to build cache for all the pages. It built the cache for our home page. Let's check the speed. This is the current speed of my website. Let's check it again. The speed improved a little bit, but the performance score should be over 80%, and this the LCP should be below 2 seconds. Let me change the settings of Swift Performance Lite. What you have to do is go to settings, click on advanced view, then you have to fix the settings from here. Click on tweaks, turn on this option, click greater cache, and then click on heartbeats. Check out toggle all, and you have to click on the next thing you have to do is click on optimization. Click on minify HTML, click disable emojis. This is the main part. These two scripts and styles are the uh, very important things. Click on scripts, turn on this option, turn on this one, and click save changes. clear cache. Now click on scripts. Let me check the speed before working on the scripts. Let me copy my website URL. Go to GTmetrix, paste your URL here, and click on Analyze. It will take few more seconds to analyze the speed. Now you can see the speed. It's the performance is 88% and the structure is 91%. The LCP score is now 2.1 seconds. There is also another Google official tool for website speed analysis, and their tool name is Google Page Speed Insights. Let me check the speed in Google Page Speed Insight also. It will take few seconds to finish the speed, and you can see the mobile score on my website is 97%, and for desktop it's 100%. Let me work on the scripts also. We can improve the speed a little bit more. This plugin doesn't work with all websites. Sometimes it doesn't work, so we have to change the plugin and use few more plugins to speed up the website. Sometimes we have to work on the code depending on the website theme. So if this plugin doesn't speed up your website, then make sure you check the link in the description and send me a message. I'll audit your website, check your website speed, and fix the speed of your website. I believe this plugin will fix the speed of around 99% of websites. Let me fix the speed. If the style setting doesn't fix the speed, then you have to. Sorry, if the scripts doesn't help in the speed improvement, then click on styles. What you have to do is compress your CSS. Then do not check this option. It will break your website. Click on Save Changes. Click Cache. Make sure you create a backup before changing these settings. These settings may break your website. After this, you have to click on Dashboard. I missed that part. After changing the settings of scripts, what you have to do is go to Dashboard and you have to build the cache, and then you have to check the speed of the website. If you do not build the cache, then the GTmetrix will show the old score, not the current score of website. So what you have to do is click on Reset Warm-up Table, click on OK. And then click on it's actually building the cache. If it says start pre-built cache, then you have to click on start. It's already building the cache, so I don't have to click on the start. You can build the pre-cache by clicking on the cache option of each page one by one, but it's already building a pre-cache, so I don't have to go through all of them. Let me check the speed again. So now the performance score is, it shows A. The performance 89%, the structure is 92%, and the LCP is 2.1. It's quite better than what it was. I can improve the speed and make this time under 2 seconds, but I cannot do it in just 5 to 10 minutes video. So if you want me to boost up the speed of your website, then make sure you check the link in the description and send me a message. Thanks for watching the video.